Hi again. So continuing with the classification, aliphatic halogen compounds हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Halogen compounds which are derived from aliphatic hydrocarbons. We are done with 1A. Let's take a look at 2A. No, sorry, we'll be doing 1B. Second type of aliphatic halogen compounds 1B, and this type is haloalkenes, right? As you can see from the name, if you have to define haloalkenes, कौन से aliphatic halogen compounds होंगे which are derived from alkenes. Alkenes is a class of compounds which have at least one carbon-carbon double bond, and in the common system they are named as alkenyl halides. Haloalkenes are alkenyl halides, right? And if you have to write down their general formula, what would be the general formula? What is the general formula of an alkene? CnH2n, right? Now how do we derive a haloalkene? From an alkene we have to replace one hydrogen atom by X. So the general formula of a haloalkene would be CnH2n minus 1. You remove one hydrogen atom and in place of that hydrogen you put in X, which can be chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo. Thus the general formula of alkene is CnH2n minus 1 X. If you have to give the examples, again in this section we'll be showing very simple examples. For example, let's do this. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 Cl, right? If we have to name this compound, what is this name compound? Numbering will start from here, 1 2 3 4. even though priority sequence में priority double bond की है, but अगर आप यहाँ से भी numbering start करोगे, this will be carbon number 2. यहाँ से करेंगे तो this will be carbon number 2. When we start numbering from here, it gives the lowest possible number to halogen atom also, right? That is why I started numbering from the left, which we'll do elaborately when we start nomenclature. So what will be the name of this compound? Giving the locants, giving the position of each substituent. 1 chloro 1 2 3 4 but 2 ene, right? This is our haloalkene, which has been derived from butene. We have replaced one hydrogen atom of a butene molecule by chlorine atom, right? Now the third one would be 1C, and our 1C is haloalkynes, right? Again, you have the name in front of you. You can very easily write down that this class of organic compounds is derived from alkynes. What is an alkyne? A hydrocarbon having at least one carbon in carbon triple bond. If you replace one hydrogen in that alkyne by a halogen atom, it becomes a haloalkyne, right? And in common system, they're also known as alkenyl halides. Alkenyl halides, or ALKYNYL hai, howsoever you read it, right? And speaking about their general formula, it is very easy to derive the general formula if you know the general formula of alkynes. What is the general formula of alkynes? CnH2n minus 2, right? This is our alkyne. Now how will we derive a haloalkyne from this alkyne? By removing one hydrogen atom, by replacing one hydrogen atom by X. So we write down CnH2n minus 3. We are replacing one more, and we are replacing it. We are not just removing it, we are replacing it with X. So that the general formula of a haloalkyne is CnH2n minus 3X, right? Speaking of the examples, again I'll try to give you a very simple example. CH3 C triple bond C Br. This is 1 2 and 3, right? रूल्स ऑफ नॉमेनक्लेचर जो भी यहाँ यूज़ हो रहे हैं, उनको अगर आप जो आपने 11th क्लास में पढ़े हैं, एक बार अगर आप उनको रिवाइज भी करोगे, देयर इज़ नो हार्म इन दैट. एंड नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में हम थोड़ा सा नॉमेनक्लेचर इनका पढ़ेंगे भी. दिस इज़ 1 ब्रोमो prop 1 ion, right? The position is this: triple bond is on carbon 1, bromine is on carbon number 1, right?